Hey guys, it's Valerie here. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this nice, cute, simple, glam, full coverage, foundation, Valentine's Day look. So this is a very cute Valentine's Day makeup look. This is my first Valentine's Day look that is on my channel. So I hope that you guys like it, and you know, I hope that you guys like it. Why else wouldn't you like it? Come on, be nice. I hope that you guys like it. I don't know. What else do I say? Do you like my backdrop? I like my backdrop. So, yeah, let's just get right onto the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that you guys have a great, wonderful, and safe Valentine's Day. And if you guys have a significant other, then have fun. And if you don't, it's okay, because I don't either. And I'm still gonna have fun. When is Valentine's Day? Let me see. February 14th. Let's see what day that falls on. That's on a freaking Wednesday. I got school and work. Ain't nobody got time to be thinking about no honey. I got school and work. This ain't gonna be a nice Valentine's Day. Anyways, I hope that you guys have a great Valentine's Day. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.